My name is Scott White, and I'm the owner of Denver Machine Shop with my twin brother, Eric. Having JobBOSS² in the cloud has enabled our business to operate at a whole different level. When we were running paper systems through the shop, there were all kinds of problems that would occur. When you have JobBOSS², it puts all of your information in one place. You know that you have a record of everything that's happened in the shop. You know you have the ability to go in and run reports that show you the performance of the shop, allow you to make decisions that you wouldn't have been able to make. Before JobBOSS², we didn't have that ability, and so you just manage the best you can with intuition. JobBOSS² puts the data right in front of you, and when you see the data, you can't ignore the data, good or bad. JobBOSS² is much faster than the systems that we had in place on our local server. There were times when you had to wait for a report to load, whereas now it just snaps up and it just is right there. It would take 5 minutes or more to produce one report for unprocessed or to process, and now it's just instantaneous. In a 100-year-old business, it's really important to bring some sort of new technology to the business every single year. And this is how we stay relevant and we don't fall behind. Going back to a paper system or to a system that's much more primitive, running on spreadsheets and so forth, it's unfathomable to me why any shop would ever do that. Once you go to JobBOSS², you're kind of tied in. You know, you get addicted to it. It's very important for your business. It's how we do business.